Okay, love bugs, it has been very heavy here in California. The wildfires all over LA have been just popping up. It is almost scary to open up the Instagram and TikTok apps because while I don't really watch the news, you guys already know social media keeps you informed in real time of what is going on in the world, especially because I am an LA native. Seeing all my loved ones pop on the feeds, people from all over have been checking on me, and I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed to be able to say that we are not currently affected. I mean, anything can change at any moment, but we live very far from where all of this is happening. So the chances or possibilities of like it coming this far, like if it comes this far, literally Jesus is coming. But I do want to send my love and prayers and thoughts to all of those who have been affected, whether you've lost a home, a loved one has lost a home, or just the whole discombobulation of like schools are out, dance has been out, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be out for the remainder of the week. And even just the air quality has been super poor in California. So sending my love and prayers and thoughts. On a lighter note, I know it is hard to smile through pain and all of the sadness. I don't know if you can hear that outside my window, but the wind has been crazy, almost insane in California, to the point that it's scary. Trash cans are being knocked over, semis are being knocked over on the freeway. It's literally like Armageddon or apocalypse. I don't know which one, maybe even both. But I wanted to do something fun and light and just take my mind off of the craziness that is going on in California by none other than just spending a little time doing my hair. I feel like it's a guilty pleasure of mine to be able to just sit back and do something fun and style my hair. But today I did team up with Unice. They sent me over this beautiful 7x5 by Knots ombre lace wig. She has this fluffy loose curl or wave to her, and then of course that black to brown ombre. I went ahead and just switched it up a little bit and did two little pigtails up top. Again, just something fun and simple. You don't have to be an artist, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. If you are interested in getting a straight out of the box, very beginner friendly, easy install, this is the one. And then adding a little style and a little curl to it was the icing on the cake. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe no matter where you are in the world, and also send your thoughts and prayers to those who are affected by any devastation, not just California but anywhere around the world. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. It's okay, we're gonna do a spelling test. Tomorrow my daughter has her weekly spelling test, and so I'm going to give her a test on her words. Pull up our text together, and you're going to be texting me the answer. First one is aisle. So today I've teamed up with Unice, and you guys already seen in the intro, they sent me this beautiful ombre. It's like a black to like, is this a chestnut brown? A beautiful warm brown ombre. You kind of don't see where it starts and ends. It's nice and, you know, rich up here, and then the color, you get that chocolate brown, and it goes lighter in here. Very gorgeous with the fluffy loose curls. So we're gonna go for this beautiful fluffy curly loose wave wig in an ombre. This is a pre-everything wig. I've already gotten rid of all of the packaging. As you guys can see, we have pre-cut lace with that nice scallop cut, pre-bleached knots, so you can really see in there's no knots or like black ants looking things in the lace. And then there's also a nice pre-plucked hairline. You can always customize and add your own little oomph to it. We are going to tint the lace to make it blend perfectly and melt the lace really nicely. When you flip her over and look at the inside construction of the cap, all of this is true. This is a closure wig, so it's going to have a little bit more of a glueless fit. You also will have this adjustable, removable elastic band inside. Keep it if you like it, and it adds a little bit more of a grip or hold to your wig, especially if you're wearing it glueless, or you can take it out if you don't like them. And then you also have a large comb at the nape as well as your adjustable straps, and this gummy-like technology which helps the wig hold to your head. So that looks to be about it. I got a new turban. You guys know I used the other one. It's starting to just get those little balls on it, so I wanted to get something new. I was hoping that this one was going to have that nice, like, more deeper tone than this one. I really like this one. I just fear it's going to get a lot of makeup on it when I wear it, but I wanted something a little bit different so that, like, sometimes I'm in this and I have makeup on, or I don't have makeup on, but all of a sudden it's time to go pick up a kid and I need something to put on where I feel comfortable leaving the house with it. It's not giving bonnet, but I don't have to like plop a wig on just because I'm going out, you know what I mean? So I have it linked down below, but I am going to try this one in a different shade of brown, and then I'm going to get a black one as well so that I can make sure that, like, especially because I wear makeup almost daily at this point, you know, I don't want makeup transferring and it just starts to get real tacky. So let's go ahead and put her on and do an install. And today we are going to do a little bit of a style. I kind of want to do two little pigtails with really like good curls on them. I think that would be really cute, and that's like a style I'm craving with a little bit of baby hair. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. As I said, these are like some looser curls, so we're gonna jazz it up with some more prominent ones, but I'll show you what it looks like combed out. Here's a look at the hairline. As you guys can see, it's nicely pre-plucked. For me, this is great, especially because I want to do baby hair, or maybe I'll do edges. I think I do want to do baby hair today, and so it's gonna give more of an illusion of an even more like plucked situation. As far as the parting goes, the knots are bleached beautifully. Just a little touch of powder is gonna really amp this up. When you comb out those curls, this is what you get. So you get, like I said, it's like a nice fluffy effect. I probably wouldn't like wet this one to mousse it. I don't think it's that type of wave or curl. Let me show you guys the curl, or not the curl, but the color pattern from the back. So this is what she looks like from the back, more so focused on the color and that beautiful ombre, as well as the length and density. So now that that's out of the way, I did go ahead and heat up the hot comb, but it didn't go to 500, so let's get it there. And then I'm also thinking about going with the bigger curling iron. Let's go ahead and pull this back, get a little bit of adhesive there, and this is not necessarily an adhesive. It's more so a hairspray, and it's intended for like your curls and like your hairstyles to hold them in place. But as you guys know, if you've ever had a hairspray where you like sprayed and it got it on your hand, you went like this and it gets like tacky, well, that same type of situation happens with your hairline. From there, we're gonna go ahead and do the dynamic duo. As you guys can see, the wig does fit glueless, so we definitely do not need to do anything as far as like blow drying it down. Even though it's wet, because it's glueless, it's gonna sit there perfectly, and we don't necessarily need to bond it down. But before we add the melt belt, let's go ahead and do the dynamic duo. Ooh. Absolutely perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace, and we're gonna melt the lace so it can all come together. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna be an adult today, and I'm not gonna do baby hair. But look at how perfectly that does compared to this side, and it would be better if I had my little brush, but we move. So I like the way that is, but I feel like the brush is not dense enough to really get in there. I'm gonna take the powder and just set it a little bit. And I feel that looks really good in person. We already have a Unice headband, or what? Melt belt. We already have a Unice melt belt on hand, so I'm not gonna use the one that they provided today. Just throw the hair back. And now we go ahead and we work on the curls. So I'm gonna do an updo actually before we do the curls. Now I'm deciding if I want to do a half up, half down, or 2 ponytails. I just want to do 2 little like baby ponytails like this to add a little height. So I think I'm gonna do that first. And I'm just gonna take some rubber bands. I have like 2 or 3 packs of these around the house. So the parting doesn't have to be perfect, and that's what I'm learning about like hair. And you know, the Black culture, of course, we love a good perfect part. But in other cultures, they literally don't part, they just grab. And so in this situation, I'm gonna kind of take one how do you say, a page out of their book, everybody else's book, and not focus on a perfect parting, but just a cute hairstyle. Gonna grip it, and sometimes I underhand it when I put the rubber band on, so not to get too much going on around it. I think I went in like 3 or 4 times. Pull it tight, and that might be a little cute. It might be a little juvenile, but because we didn't add the baby hair, it might be a good compromise. But let's do the opposite side and then see if we like it or if we want to switch to something different. Okay, I think that's cute. It's giving like nice fitted tee and some cargos. Really cute. Some fluffy fur boots. Really cute. You know, just giving a little girly, a little sassy vibe. So now I'm going to take and just do some large curls around to kind of amp up the vibe. That actually is really cute. Okay, so we're done with the look. I did not add any hairspray, and I don't know if I'm gonna regret it or not, but let's move. This is what she looks like. Perfection, absolutely perfect. Very, 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 very cute. I'm gonna add a little hairspray. I'm gonna go ahead and just comb it out with a dimming brush, and I'm gonna do a light comb out because you don't gotta do too much. And look at how those highlights or that ombre in the front is really accentuated in that ponytail. It looks so good. Nice, beautiful, fluffy hair. A beautiful, fun, not so serious look. I feel like the world is serious enough. You don't have to be serious per se. Then you can add the hairspray after. And to me, this kind of helps to hold the look after the fact. So like we just pulled the curls out, and the hairspray will help hold the curls that like are formed after you go ahead and comb them out. So this is the look. She's absolutely gorgeous. Very simple, quick, easy install. Now I do think it would have been even more amped up and more me to add the baby hair. But again, I've been more team switch up and trying to catch the vibe of the no baby hair look. But before we go, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what is inside my package. You guys are no stranger to Unice. You know we love this signature color. It's so beautiful. This is the package that the wig was in, and she lets us know this is a 7x5 by knots lace wig, and she is in the length 24 inches. When you open your box and look inside of your package, we did get a melt belt. We also got a sheet of the wig tape. You can apply this under the lace, and that way this will give you a little bit of an extra hold. Right now, I don't need it as much, but when it's time to travel, go to the pool, go to the amusement parks, that's definitely gonna come in clutch. A pack of HD wig caps, and these are the Unice wig caps, so you can only get these on Unice. And then last but most certainly not least, the thing I've been the most excited about is this new and innovative baby hair brush. Now this one here comes with an extra baby hair brush head. So this right here comes off and is interchangeable, and it also comes with the rat tail at the end. So it's the same rat tail on one end that's perfect for parting, and then the baby hair brush with the comb on side that I love, but it's nice and beefy and luxurious. And again, that extra brush head is going to come in clutch too. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I love this fun switch up. It's going to be fun with my nice winter sweaters and some Ugg boots, a nice little cargo pants with like a fitted top. All of the things will make this look really, really cute and fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check her out. Of course, there's a direct link and all the details in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.